Welcome to Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. Now today in the kitchen, we're taking a look at a new set of dinnerware. And it's an everyday set, and I think you will absolutely enjoy having it in your kitchen. I'm going to show you a product, and this particular product review involves your dinner table, and we always want our dinner tables here to look lovely. Now, this particular product, this is not the only pattern. There are several other varieties that you can take a look at, but I want you to see what you will get when you purchase this product. Now, this particular dinnerware is heavy. As you can see, it's a beautiful plate. With that, you're going to get 4. Now, with that, you're also going to get a smaller size, about 7-inch plate that you can use either as just a regular saucer, or you can certainly use it as a dessert plate or as a salad plate and have it alongside of your dinner plate. You also receive a beautiful bowl, and this bowl is quite substantial. It could work for your cereal, your morning breakfast. It could also serve as your soup bowl if you were having soup. And these particular dishes are dishwasher friendly. So you can put them into your dishwasher, which I have already done several times at this point, and they come out perfectly. They have a nice weight to it, not too heavy, but just right. You also have a coffee cup, and let me go get that. Now here are the 4 cups that come along with this particular china, and you are able to use it in whatever way you choose, whether it's just for a beverage for tea or whether you're serving coffee. We're also going to talk about the durability of dinnerware. Now, this material is, as I said, it is porcelain, and it's very durable. It has a ceramic type of material. It is stronger than most of the plates that you find in the store. It is more resistant to cracks. You can put it into your dishwasher, or certainly you can wash it by hand, but that's not necessary. We can throw it right, let the kids put it right into your family dishwasher. Now, they add a certain elegance to your table that I like. They have a natural style. They have a color to them so that you can mix and match other dishes to them if you like, and we can even use them in the microwave. And the nice thing about bringing them out of the microwave, and I can tell you this, is that you will not burn your hands. So be very careful. You do have to be careful taking anything out of the microwave, but these particular dishes are comfortable enough that you can take them out of the microwave and not be concerned about extreme burns. So do use them in your microwave. They're high temperature resistance, and of course when they go into that microwave, they're not going to crack. So that's a good thing. Now, should you purchase this particular product, you will receive 4 dinner plates, 4 salad or dessert plates, 4 soup bowls or cereal bowls, as well as 4 beverage mugs. These products are sold on Amazon, and I will link them in the description box below. And I hope you'll go and check them out and see which of these products that you like. Like I said, you have 4 plates, 4 salad plates, as well as 4 soup bowls, and 4 mugs for your hot beverages. They will also make a very nice presentation for your dinner table. This 16-piece set of dinnerware is going to add that special decor to your table. Each time you have an everyday weeknight meal, you're going to want to set your table in such a way that your family not only will be attracted to the food that you're serving, but also they will enjoy how your table looks. These dishes would make a great gift to someone you know, especially a beginning couple or a person going off to college or someone who's just setting up a new location. Once you know their color scheme, there are a variety of different colors that you can select from and designs.